The unreal conditional or second conditional. This second conditional has two clauses, the condition clause and the result clause. The condition clause is going to be formed by if, the subject, and the verb in past. The result clause is going to have the subject, would, and the base form of the verb. Now, when do we use the unreal conditional? We use it to talk about a situation that is not true. Something important is that the condition clause can be at the beginning or at the end of the sentence. For example, if you were in an emergency situation, you would know what to do. But you are not in an emergency situation at the moment. All right, so this is something that is not true in that moment. So we have here the condition clause, if, the subject, and the verb in past. The rest is the complement of the clause. Then we have the result clause. So you have the subject, would, and the base form of the verb, and of course the complement and the rest of the clause. Please observe that we are starting with the condition clause. So if the condition clause comes at the beginning, you are going to add a comma in the middle. All right? So we can also say, you would know what to do if you were in an emergency situation. Again, you are not in an emergency situation at the moment, so this is not real. As you can observe, we are using the condition clause at the end of the sentence, so that is why we are not using a comma. Something important is that when the verb in the condition clause is the verb to be, when is the verb to be, we always use where. For example, if the building were on fire, we would evacuate. As you can observe, we have if, the subject, and this is the verb. But the verb is the verb to be. So in this case, we are using where. It's not correct, it's not grammatically correct to say if the building was on fire, we would evacuate. So we are going to use where. If the verb is the verb to be.